Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental control on HMD Skyline. So you have to start by opening your settings application, then you have to scroll down and click on Google. Now click on Kids and Family and then click on Parental Controls. Then click on Let's do this and click on Sign in. Now you have to enter your child email address and then click Next. And here you have to enter your child's password. And then click I agree. Now click Accept. And then click on Supervise. Click Next. And here you have to enter your parent email address. And click Next. And now you have to enter your parent password. Now you have to scroll all the way down and here you have to enter your child password again. Now click on Next. Then click Allow. Click Next again. And then click Done. And as you can see, my parental control is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.